Today, we are going to install the Omada SG2008 into the RM-OM-T3 from Rackmount.IT. The SG2008 and SG2008P are also compatible with this rack mount kit. Additionally, you can install the OC200 or ES205G alongside the SG2008. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Included in the box is the 19-inch rack mount kit, 6 zip ties, and 8 cables. Slide your appliance from behind through the brackets on the left side. Push up the small plate behind it to secure it in place. Optionally, you can place a power supply on the rack mount. Secure the power supply with 2 zip ties and tie the excess length of the power cable down with 1 zip tie. Connect the appliance to the keystones with the provided cables. The easiest way to do it is by starting with the bottom row. If you want to install the OC200 or ES205G, remove the front plate located on the right side by applying force on it until the upper side comes loose. Move the plate in both directions in quick succession until the front plate breaks loose. Install it the same way as the SG2008. Use 2 zip ties to hold the cables together. You are done installing the appliance into the rack mount kit. Double check to ensure all pieces are secured. Place your Omada rack mount in your 19-inch cabinet. If you have any questions about Rackmount.IT products, visit us online, Rackmount.IT